Now we're going to look at how we set up the KitchenAid machine. This is sometimes called more generically a stand mixer, and it does a lot of pastry work here in our department, but it also does some vinaigrette making. We have our standard machine, which can be plugged in, as any machine can, although we should have it unplugged when it's not in use. This machine works a little different than the ones you may see at home. The first thing is that it moves up and down through this lever arm. Some work a little bit differently. We have 3 attachments. We have our whisk, our dough hook, and our paddle. Most of what we'll see here in our department is either a paddle or a whisk. Today we'll show you how to hook up the paddle. The paddle has a specific locking mechanism on the shaft of this machine. I'll show you the bowl, the work bowl first. There's a button on the back that slides into this clip, and then there's 2 eyelets that attach right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the eyelets on and push it down till it locks in place in that with that button there. We're going to leave the machine down for right now, and we're going to lock in our paddle attachment. You can see there's a little peg here, and it's going to fit into the machine, or to the paddle attachment will fit in right across that peg. I'm going to slide it in, and then the paddle turns and locks down. That's the way all the attachments go on here with this machine. And then the bowl gets lifted up, and I have 5 speeds for more of a stirring up to a hard beating. That's all it takes for this machine. Make sure you don't overfill this machine and turn it on fast. It's one thing we want to be concerned about. Otherwise, that's the end.